Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. So a couple things tonight. Probably gonna be a shorter video because I need to actually get some work done here, and it's hard to talk and build at the same time. So this is the debut of, well, it's not done yet. But I did the first cut of the, I'm doing a fit check of the, this is the IntelliVision II right hand stick Purist Ultimate. The reason why it's Ultimate is these four buttons here are going to duplicate the 2, 4, 6, 8 on here. So you're playing games like Night Stalker or games or Tron's Deadly Discs, you can use these as your fire buttons instead of having to use the keypad. So, of course, the keypad's still going to be fully functional, still overlay compatible, but this will allow you to more comfortably play. I had to do a quick fit check. I realized this is really close to this, so I might need to do one more cut, or I'll still clear it with the new deck. But probably the next one I'm going to do is going to be moved over probably just a few millimeters that way. So you have a little bit. I wanted to put as much wrist rest as I could on this guy. I think I went a little too aggressive. I think I need about, I don't know, half a centimeter, maybe a little more, so you still have good wrist rest and a little more clearance to these buttons here. So it's going to work fine. It's just a matter of I wanted to see how well everything fit. Everything seems to fit just fine. So this is and I just got an order for a this is same controller. Why is that crooked there? I have to take that apart. Same exact controller, except it's going to be for the theme for the Sears Super Video Arcade, so it'll have black buttons instead of blue, and a black joystick knob, and it'll have the black and brown stripes along the top, which is what the original Super Video Arcade had. So that will be kind of cool looking. And I'll have the fake, it's walnut or something else, green on the front with Cyber Freak, so that'll be kind of cool. So yeah, that is, I got a bunch of controllers I'm working on right now, so I'm probably not going to do this video that long tonight, just so I can get bang through a bunch of controllers tonight to make sure everything is, make sure I want to get as much out as I can before Christmas, and I got a couple of 5200 AV outs, which are going to take a little time to do, so I've trying to get through a lot so I can make sure everyone gets as many controllers as possible done before Christmas. Or because I'm off Christmas week, but I don't think I'm gonna. I know shipments will be slower then, so I don't want to risk that one. Yeah, that hole's a little bit crooked. That's why. So I'll fix that. But yeah, this is going to be the ultimate version. You'll also be available in a left-handed stick as well if you prefer a left-handed joystick. I personally prefer a right-handed joystick. My own Purist I have is also a right-handed joystick. So if you're right-handed, a lot of the games are much more direction dependent than fire buttons. So I don't know, if you're right-handed, I would say get a right-handed stick. If you're left-handed, get a left-handed stick. But your mileage may vary. And then I finished up this. This is what my Atari 5200 Andes look like. Andy just stands for, it's just a contraction of, the contraction? Portmanteau? I can't remember which one it is. Of analog digital. So how this works is the what the heck's the cord? Let's actually play a game with this. So there's quite a few games that are a little better using Choplifters. Is plain old Pac-Man here? Yeah. So, say you prefer. Alright. Usually, you'd be using the analog stick, which is not a bad way to play, but if you want to play with a digital controller, you can. And no switching is required or anything like that. You just move your hand from the analog stick to the digital stick. And they're actually wired in parallel with each other. So like I said, if you wanted to, you could switch right back to the analog control. Or you can let go and get eaten. But yeah. And the reason why this is important is you have a game like... Digital sticks are nice, but the limiting factor is you can't play every game with them. And an example would be... where is it? Oops. Star Wars the arcade game. That's no bueno when it comes to digital sticks, and I'll show you why. Because digital, you can do this, you can do that. Can't really aim at anything. So we have a analog controller. Yes, same thing with... I'll show you. There's a couple games that I know you really can't. Is it 16K? Is it 32K? Oh, what am I looking for? Brain froze up there. I'm looking for missile command. That's it. There we go. Start. Yeah, so you just have a digital stick. That's all you can do. But analog controller, yes, you can play it. And it works just fine. I think this was originally designed for a trackball. Yeah, because there was a... Oh, come on. Yeah. So you can see there are some games you just cannot play with a digital stick for the 5200. If you don't play those games, that's fine. There's a lot of games that are just... I mean, you can just play... And this is a nice version of Burger Time, one of my favorites. And it's a game that really benefits from just having a nice, clean digital control. A lot more comfortable to play using this is a bat style joystick. Very comfortable, nice arcade size. playing very well. But yeah, so that is the Andy. All my controllers now, of course, have, I need to take some photos of this weekend, have the silver stripe, the matte finish top, and the color labeling. And then even my original controller. This is the one that started it all. This is the Pro Stick, I call it. And this is the original analog controller. Even it has the full upgrade. It has the matte finish top that resists fingerprints, the nice faux stainless steel stripe that matches the 5200, and I did have occasion where I have one customer who's having a problem with this controller drifting. And I'm not sure what the heck is going on, because I've really tried to like beat these up pretty much. And I could show you. Let me show you real quick. Let's start with the chop lifter. And you can see it's actually, you can see how well it's centered by, I have to actually push my thumb up very slightly to keep it up, so it's not drifting any direction. And if you, and it's still, the left right is still good, so I'm not sure what's going on. So I want to get that one back again. I fixed it once. I don't know what's going on, why it's not being good. But yeah, you can see, I mean, you still right back to center again. So I don't get it. I don't know what's going on. Off you go. Again, I'm just pushing up, no left or right, and it's still centered. So I don't know what's going on. It's driving me nuts. Like I said, this is gonna be a real short video tonight. I've got a bunch of keypads to finish mount, start, pause, reset buttons to mount up, and then I'm gonna be finishing off. Yeah, what do I have? 1, 2, 3, 7 joysticks I want to knock out. So I'm gonna get back to work. So everyone, thank you for watching, and yeah. So yeah, that was that's the new Ultimate stick. That's available on my website now. You can get it either with the Sears Super Video Arcade style or just the my normal look. So whichever one you prefer. But yeah, this is those two, the same customer. Plus you got a AV out. So I got a lot of soldering to do right now, and it's easier for me to just do it than talk. Like I said, I got all these cords all over the place I need to build. It's just, yeah, it takes a little time to get it all done. So everyone, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna get to work to make sure Santa gets your controllers under your tree before Christmas this year. So what's today? Today is the 13th, almost the 14th right now. So yeah, I'm trying to get as many out as I can this week, so I don't have to worry about kind of clear things out. So I don't worry about over Christmas. Now, I want to use that time during those. I got 2 weeks off of Christmas. I really, really, really want to get one more controller out the door, a new style, the 5200 LT, which I've been promising forever and haven't had a chance to actually work on. So that I actually want to finish up. So all right, I'm getting back to work. I'm shutting up and getting stuff done. Everyone have a great night.